Hey folks, Dr. Starr, Silver Spring Medical Center. Welcome back. Going to take a couple of minutes and answer a very common problem slash question that people have with when we advocate a whole food plant-based diet. Okay, and in short, that's the food that's designed for humans. Okay, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. That's ideal food for us biochemically, biologically. That's how we're designed. That's how well we digest. We can get all of our nutrients from that. But every now and then a patient will say to me, well, I thought you have to eat meat or fish to be healthy, right? So, or you can't get all your nutrients from plants, can you? I mean, really. And so one by one, we try to answer these things. But here are the four most common misconceptions that people have about a plant-based diet. And the idea here is, the first one, people will say, well, don't you need to eat meat in order to have all your essential vitamins and nutrients? And the answer is no, absolutely not. There's nothing in meat or animal products that you can't already get in plant-based in a better form, in a better ratio, without any of the extra junk like cholesterol, saturated fats, hormones, all of the bad things that you don't want to eat from something that was living. Because don't forget, whatever that living thing was that he or she was eating accumulates into the fat. When you eat that body, you're going to be getting all of the bad stuff passed along to you too. So the answer is no. You can eat fruits and vegetables and you will have all of the essential vitamins and minerals and nutrients that you need without needing to have the meat. Okay. Number two is actually, I should have said this as number one. The number one question that I get as a vegan doctor is, well, where do you get your protein, doc? And clearly you have to eat meat and fish to get protein, right? And the answer is absolutely not. Absolutely not. There's protein in every single living thing, okay, including plants. So certainly the muscle of the cow or chicken or fish that you're eating, that is made up of protein and fat. A little bit of water, a little bit of minerals. That's about it. There's zero carbohydrates, okay? So yes, it's a high source of protein, but who says that a high source is better? More is not necessarily better. But in every single plant, fruit or vegetable, there is protein and there is actually fat too. That's how you get the oils, but see the past videos that I've made on that. So you get plenty of protein from fruits and vegetables. If you don't believe me, look at the largest, strongest animals on the planet, and they are hippopotamus, elephant, rhinoceros. These are really big, strong animals, okay? Cow, go out to a farm. Go look at a cow. Go stand next to a cow. See how big she is. She's huge, okay? Don't stand next to the bulls. Bad idea. But they're huge. Big teeth, big bones, big muscles, big bodies. Where do they get their protein from? They're not eating chicken sandwiches. They're not drinking milk if they're past the age of a calf, and we can have another video on that. So they get their protein from plants. They get it from grass. There's actually protein in grass. No, you don't have to eat the grass like a cow does, but you can get any other fruits or vegetables, you get plenty of protein. So that's number two. Number three is people think you must eat meat to get vitamin B12. As if you're going to die if you don't have B12 every single day, which is not true. It can take decades to deplete your stores of B12. And B12 does not come, it's a vitamin, yes, but it does not come from animals, does not come from meat. It's actually a byproduct of bacterial waste. It's a bacterium, basically. It's not an animal, it's not a plant, it's not a fruit, but it grows on it, okay? It grows in the soil. So yes, you can get it from meat, but you can also get it from anything fortified. Any of the cereals, any of the foods now, they add in B12. And the easiest, simplest way, and you can even get it from fruits and vegetables, but because our soil is fairly sterile now, and plus we wash everything with antibacterial soap, which is a mistake, you don't have much B12 growing on and around your fruit and vegetables and the stems and inside. So the easiest thing is supplement. Get a dissolving tab or get a B12 shot that we offer in the office. Get some kind of B12 supplement and you're fine. It's easy. It's cheap. It's like, pennies a day, literally, not even. So get your B12 by supplement. That's totally fine. And you don't need that much in general, okay? So that's number three. Number four is many times people say, well, I have to eat meat and fish and chicken, so otherwise I'll be low in energy. Okay, understand this. Energy does not come from fat. Energy does not come from protein. When I say energy, I'm talking about, how well you feel. Okay, what that's coming from is coming from carbohydrates. It's coming from good natural sugars. That's what fuels your cell. You need, ultimately, your fuel source in the body is glucose. That is a sugar. That is a carbohydrate. Your body's so smart and so effective at getting what it needs, it will manufacture glucose from fats and proteins if need be. But the ideal source is simple sugars in your diet. So your energy comes from carbohydrates, not from fat and protein. So in meat and fish and eggs, there is zero carbohydrates. Zero. Okay? Nothing. It's protein and it's fat. That's it. So you're not getting energy from that. So how do people get fooled into thinking that they feel more energetic? They're getting calories. Okay? There's a lot more calories that's densely concentrated in fat and protein, rather fat mostly because it's 9 calories per gram. Protein and carbohydrates only pack 4 calories per gram. So gram for gram, pound for pound, plate for plate, you're going to be getting more calories in the meat. So you eat the more calories, you're going to feel better, because if you don't eat calories, you're not going to feel very good. You're going to feel very lethargic, very run down, low energy, okay? So the answer is, when you're eating fruits and vegetables, eat more, for God's sakes, if you feel hungry or if you feel low energy. Your energy is coming from your calories. So there's less calorie density, less caloric density in fruits and vegetables, which means you get a chance to eat more. Isn't that great? Eat more food, lose weight. It seems pretty simple to me. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If not, give us a call at the office, shoot me an email. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.